If your Chevy Traverse won't start and the dash is acting strange, your key fob might be the culprit. Data shows that the vast majority of these issues stem from a simple, low-voltage fob battery. Let's walk through the steps to isolate the problem. Start by checking your dash for error messages and placing the fob in the vehicle's designated backup reader slot. If your remote has been acting sluggish lately, it's a clear sign the internal coin battery is losing its charge. If the fob isn't the issue, we need to look at the starter system and the main vehicle battery. Most fob problems are DIY friendly, but deeper electrical faults will require a professional diagnostic scan. As you can see, testing the cheap components first can save you a significant amount on unnecessary shop labor. If the vehicle still won't crank, use an OBD-I scanner to pull codes and verify your main battery health. Keep these 3 items in your glove box to handle most common Traverse startup failures on the road. Remember, start with the simplest solution to avoid unnecessary stress and expense. If this helped you get back on the road, leave a comment below and subscribe for more Traverse tips.